let's do this.
Okay, so how's your week been?
I had a breakthrough.
A breakthrough?
Yeah, so some of the chords you were teaching me, I was just kind of, I was just kind of sitting underneath my back porch with the rain going, and it was so beautiful. The rain was pouring, and I just...
I don't even know what those chords are.
So I just was like messing around. So for all of you out there, Emily D, we did not learn that in a lesson, but some of the chords, you taught me some of the chords, and then I was like, okay, well, how can I move my fingers along? And all of a sudden I just started kind of hearing sounds.
That's a beautiful chord.
And it just made me get really excited. So thank you for letting me borrow your guitar and teaching me. Like, I think sometimes we just need like a push. Mm-hmm. And so I had a breakthrough.
You've been saying for years, I gotta learn this, learn this, and you're doing it.
And
I wouldn't let just anyone borrow that guitar.
And I needed a friend to be like, throw me a guitar, you're gonna learn G.
That's E minor.
Yeah, so yeah, okay. I'm getting excited about it.
I'm really excited for you.
And it's 20 minutes a day. So yeah, that was my breakthrough. What about you? How was your week?
I probably about 4 days ago, I began working on Edelweiss with my master guitar teacher named Ben Owens, and he put together a little arrangement.
Oh yes.
I practice multiple times a day. I wake up and I do it, and then I do it later. It's actually kind of addicting because it's really beautiful. Okay. Pressure's on.
So excited.
Pressure's on.
Let's do this.
Ah, shoot.
Yes!
That's how I learned.
Oh my gosh, it sounds like the movie for real.
When I do this, watch what I do here. I have to jump all the way down here and do this hard thing.
It's so beautiful.
But it's muscle memory, and I'm very motivated. You inspired me, actually. I would never, ever have learned Edelweiss if it weren't for you and your goal. So, thank you.
Let's thank each other.
Thank you.
Thanks, us.
Thanks, Smart Vovo. I think everybody should read Power of Will, 1910, written by Frank Haddock, excuse me. Great skill, great will. I highlighted that in sparkly nail polish. Great skill, great will.
I love that. And it doesn't matter how old you are.
It doesn't matter.
It's time to activate that compound interest and get to work. So let's get started. Well, for next time.
Signing out, I'm Emily D.
And I'm Mark Vovo. Keep on playing, y'all. We got this.